this all-wheel drive modest speed got for me. That's probably the best sleeper I've ever seen.
That's my first time launching. That's my first time.
It looked good. It looked good.
Floor it. Floor it. Your turn.
So if you guys want to see a review video on this car, y'all go ahead and drop me a comment on that. But that's a Mazda Speed 6 all-wheel drive, fully built, big turbo. It's got big fuel systems all done to it. I love that car. Man, they're nice. Never seen one in person until Eric got one. Eric is actually my nephew.
That launch?
On 3, I'm going for it.
That launch, 27 PSI.
That was good.
Like, what the fuck? That's my first time ever.
I didn't know you were gonna launch it, or else I would have been recording.
I didn't know either because she told me. I was like, alright, I'll launch it.
I launched it too. I just smoked the tires, bro.
I have never launched this car. It's crazy.
He actually sent me a link to buy one. It was real cheap. By the time I looked at it, it was already gone. Oh, there he goes. Oh, I saw a little fire on there. I saw some fire coming out of the exhaust. Oh shit! Oh no, he blew the coupler. I heard the pop. I don't know if you guys heard that, but damn it. Or I don't know, it was either a backfire or his coupler popped off, but damn, that shit was loud as hell. Alright, we're pulling in somewhere, so I'm assuming that coupler did pop off. You blew the coupler, right? I heard it, bro. That shit was like loud. Yeah, I caught it on video too. Oh shit. Yeah, dude, I heard you coming, and then right when you were right next to me, it was like, bah!
That shit, it hit 35 PSI.
35?
I don't think it can withstand that shit no more.
No, dude, and you know what? This one's already pulling out too.
Which one?
This one. You see that? You can see the line where it was before.
No way.
Yep.
You on camera right now?
Yeah.
Guys, do beats. Don't rig it no more.
You can rig it, but not at 35 pounds of boost. No, it's not loose, but you can see where it's slowly been pushing out.
Don't do it no more, guys.
Not if you're pushing what, 15?
15 and 20 is fine, but
Not 30 something pounds.
35. It was fine till 30. Once they hit 35.
I was telling them that if they want to see a review video, they gotta let me know. We'll go out and do a little walkthrough on the car.
We'll have to put a new bumper. I have to put the bumper back on. And
Yeah.
Right now it's dirty. Don't worry.
Yeah. No, it's mint. The interior, everything is mint. But I think some people are gonna catch interested. So we're gonna have to do another video. After we beat up the intercooler pipe.
After we take a couple weekends.
All right, dude.
I guess we'll go back.
Yeah.
Man, that shit's so
What?
Supra.
I think it's because it echoes off the walls. Because even inside the car, I was like, God damn, this shit's fucking loud. Don't leave me, don't leave me. I'm chunky, I take longer. Yeah, he actually he let me drive the car right now, and I did just a couple pulls. Ooh, one light pull and then one pretty hard pull. First gear. I've never in my life owned a car that actually hooks. It's always been overpowered rear wheel drive cars or the Eclipse front wheel drive. That car is all wheel drive, and that was something different for me. The way it took off in first gear, that was crazy. See it? See, there you go. That's my life. Losing traction and going sideways. So what's going on with his intercooler piping, the cold side going to the turbo is it doesn't have a proper bead on it, so the clamp is not holding on to anything. Oh hell no. Gotta get around this carpet guy. We had gone too far. Now we're busting a U-turn, unless there's a E85 station around here that I don't know about, but I had a feeling we were a little bit too far from home. I just noticed getting onto the highway, I got on it pretty hard first and second, but yet I wasn't catching him. The fuck? Eric, I think we might need to schedule a race, man. I think every single time I drive this car, somebody's recording. Those people in the back are taking pictures or recording. I did that pull just for them. Hope y'all enjoyed it, boys. I'm doing pulls for everyone. Who's next? Bring out your camera. Bring out your camera. I forgot what side my pump was on. I'll park this one. I need to drive this car more often if I keep forgetting what side the pump is on. The fill thing. Huh? I don't drive it enough. You know your car spits flames in your shift?
Really?
Yeah.
I never actually.
So whenever you got on the highway when we left the house, you see it, and it was pretty bright. So I'm sure right now you'll see it a lot more. But I know your coupler's not gonna hang on.
Actually, you know what I did?
scatty pack, you don't want none? What do y'all say? The scatty pack want some or what? Slow down, dude. We can't race through cars, bro. What the? Whatever. Slow down, bro, so we get some space. Alright, I'm gonna race Eric then. He didn't want none. I tried. Honk it. Damn, that car is impressive. Holy shit, I am definitely doing a review on that car. No manches, man. I told you. Oh my god. Dude, it was like right there.
No, right when you got that, because I was like, what the fuck, he's already shifting?
Yeah, dude, I think I redlined second and third gear. I forgot to shift. You'll see the camera, the shift light came on. And once I got into fourth, either I took off or you let off. I don't know what happened.
No, it's the, yeah, I let off because I see the car right
Oh, okay, okay. Yeah, the second gear, I got into second gear. I was like, because I noticed that my RPMs were kind of low in third. And I noticed your car got really loud. I'm like, fuck that, I ain't gonna fucking go in third. So I downshifted.
Oh.
Second, third gear, you were right next to me, bro.
That was my third gear.
Oh, shit.
That was third gear.
I didn't pull until like 120.
Yeah, freaking,
Holy shit, bro.
110, yeah, around there.
Yeah.
I was like, what the fuck? I'm actually almost keeping
That
up
was
with
good,
it.
bro.
This is the second
That was
revision.
good. That was
Second
good.
revision. Imagine
I
this
told you, man. You underestimated that car.
I underestimated because I don't know. I just feel like
You're excited, aren't you?
I'm just like, damn, it's slow.
You're excited, right?
I was like, you know what? I actually need to race you to see if
Oh
I'm
my
actually
god.
faster.
No, I mean, dude, this car's not slow, bro.
I know it's not. It's
And-
like, what, 700?
Yeah.
Bro, this is not even 500
It's never been on a dyno. You don't know.
yet. It's not done tuning yet.
Yeah.
You're done tuning.
Yeah.
But I'm not gonna say it's gonna beat the Supra, you know?
Hey, dude, we always got to run it back, bro. How do we get home from here? Hey.
Is that right?
Yeah, let's turn back. I'm not really gonna say what happened. If you guys caught it on video, cool. If not, you guys can discuss it on the comments. But be careful doing this